I come bearing gifts, my friend.
Huh?
This for over there.
This one that goes here?
Yeah. For the dining room. We can do that, and here you can deliver it as fast as 30 minutes. I didn't get the pictures here. I got
balón here and cooking.
Let me see. Let me see. This one, the navel is for eggshell.
Porque va a ser un grafiti aquí.
Oh, navel. So this one's for me.
That's for you. Okay.
I'm gonna
put it in one of the closets.
No, I'm gonna just take it. I'm gonna just put it back in the van. But I do it. Yeah, you good. You good. But these, the flat ones, are for the wall. The accent wall.
The ones that you're gonna do.
Yeah, you can. No, I'm saying that's the accent walls. You can paint the walls with that here, and I guess you say you're gonna do here.
Yeah. Where's the flat for the ceilings?
It's Did I get it?
No.
You sure? That's not it?
Chicho.
No, that's what's that?
No bajes un bote de su grandote. No.
I thought I brought it. Thought I brought bear or something.
No.
Or yeah.
From
Home Depot.
Oh. Yeah, you did. So you want us to use that?
I thought you said you're gonna use it in here, and then I gotta, yeah. You said you're gonna use it in here, I think.
Okay.
Cause you said it was different.
Yeah.
But yeah, you didn't start it here though, right?
We did one coat.
That bear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you need another 5 gallon?
Yeah, to be safe.
Okay. I can run and get that. I wonder if he's still at Home Depot.
Sigue haciendo eso, Chicho. Eso, and that's how your window's gonna look.
Oh, cool. That's dope. That's good. That's good.
That way, with the cabinet, we get to do a little bit of backsplash.
Okay. That's like 15 trees.
Yeah, but the main importance is like this one right here.
Cut that one. But what you gonna do about the gate?
Get rid of it.
I'm saying you gonna.
And then that stump right there, they're already part of the trees that they fall, they're down.
Yeah.
You see all those stumps, the small stumps there over there?
Yeah.
Cut them up off the floor. And this one, you see the 2 stumps, just leave the rest of the tree. And then, like, and this one's just some of them, not all of them.
Mm-hmm.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's little ones. All of these trees they can stand.
Oh, okay.
Got a couple.
Yeah, it looks like I don't know. It don't look like it was ever any in there.
No. Just needs one screw.
Yeah, I wonder why. What colors?
Yellow.
It's cream. What you mean? Come on, man. What I do this is what I do. This is what I do. Ain't, like I said numerous occasions, see, it's cream. All of them sell, you hear me?
Yeah. So
That's the important part.
So carpet ran through the whole house.
What house?
This house.
How you know that? Oh, you saying do that? Hell no. That's tacky.
That's the easiest.
Upstairs for sure.
That's the easiest thing.
Yeah, it's the ugliest thing. The easiest is always the ugliest.
Yeah.
It's gonna be mostly carpet anyway. All upstairs gonna be carpet. The steps gonna be carpet.
But what are you gonna do?
2 bedrooms gonna be carpet.
What's the plan with these doors?
Just finish them.
But what about these gaps?
Replace the wood. What you mean? That's simple.
Who gonna do that?
He gonna do it. This is a home improvement guy.
This you need
Bro, I can do
wood
that.
in all these places.
Man, that's all you gotta do is buy the wood. Actually, the wood's over there already.
And then so the wood gonna be two-tone. What you gonna do?
It don't matter because they're gonna resand it all.
You gonna resand it and stain it?
You don't gotta stain it. Once you resand it down to the bare wood, it's gonna be fine.
This one ain't like what it look like.
Yes, it is. Once you sand it down to the bare wood, it's just gonna be bare wood.
I like that idea. I like that idea. I'm just like
Saving money on tile, Becker board, whatever else. Refrigerator here, stove. It's gonna be a small kitchen. It's gonna look big because of the walls open. He's doing a granite countertop here. What do you call it? Island. Why you looking at me like that, bro?
we gonna get granite.
I already found it. It's in White Lake. $150. It's 48 by 38. He said he.
What's going on? So no butcher block.
Butcher block going over here. And you're gonna do the granite island. Yeah.
Oh, so the island is one piece.
It's just gonna be over there, yeah.
You just gonna sit it on top of here.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be cabinets right here. But yeah, it's gonna be cabinets right.
That's a 24.
Yeah, so you can put the stools. Yeah. I'm not sure.
I think it is.
Might be a 24. Yeah, I still got 4 more cabinets to go get. They ready. I just didn't pick them up. They had Menards.
I think they do. These are Hampton Bay.
Which one of y'all gonna lift it? Which one of y'all gonna lift it? The step, bro. The step, bro.
Why is that camera so small?
It's a GoPro. Get your weight up. This thing's $600. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna be able to do that by myself. How much does this weigh? Does it say? No, it doesn't. Let me see. Actually, BJ, come on.
You hold the camera.
Yeah, hold the camera.
Like,
Misha, phone in your pocket. Come on, big strong guy. That's right. 1, 2, 3. One. Thank God. I got extra tall and extra small with me. Hey, what's up? What's up? Is that the? Which one is that? Oh, that's the. I can use the wrong one. It's supposed to be the flat. This cool. About a month. Nice, mimosa. Yeah. Those are, let me see, which one you got? That's the eggshell. See, that one was supposed to be for the cabinets. This the one for the wall. I'm dead serious. This was for the wall and that one was for the cabinets. Huh? Go up there. So this is flat on this wall?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. It's straight. No, that's straight. You continue, cause I'm gonna paint. I got a design I'm gonna put on it anyway. I'm gonna do an abstract wall, so you can finish, and then that means this wall will match the cabinets.
So you're gonna build the cabinets with this clip?
Yeah. Yep. There should be another can. It's like 2 cans of that. Not that cabinet. They over there. They unfinished. But I gotta get the rest of them. So, but he said 2 gallons should do it. But yeah, we straight. I mean, if you, it's that one coat. That's like one coat, right?
Where?
On that wall.
Oh, yeah.
Cause that's flat. It look like that's flat over there. Who painted this wall? You or him?
Him.
That's flat then, right?
No, my dad, he say, mix the paint, so.
Oh, he mixed it. They 2 different colors.
No, it's the same. Look.
Oh, let me see. I thought there was 2 different colors.
No.
So just one flat and one.
No, this is la de.
See, this is eggshell.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's flat. This is a different color.
¿Es ese no? No, ese es el.
See, you got the yellow strip at the. See, you got the yellow strip at the top. Now we got the blue strip at the top. Yeah. Yeah, they 2 different colors. This color is what is it at? This is the in the navy, and this color is anchors away. Yeah, these 2 are the same.
Yep.
And those 2 are the same. Yeah. Yeah. That's your answer for everything. Yeah. Yeah. I want you to say yeah. Because they took it out. They working on the bathroom. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a nice light.
What is now?
The tub's kind of nasty.
That's why it's dirty. They're gonna clean it. It's a new tub. See all that yard? Come on, let's look at the yard. Let's go look at the yard. Woo! Nice, ain't it?
All of that.
All of it, yeah.
Oh, this is yours.
Yes. I know. I mean, I'm selling it. You gotta chop down these trees. They're gonna look nice though once they bloom.
Probably the best backyard your house has got.
Well, yeah, because most Detroit houses ain't got this big of a backyard. Not even close. This originally stopped where the fence is at, but this lot was bought, and I bought both of them. It came with it, so
That would be a nice little basketball.
yeah, it would. Sure, you could put a full court right here if you wanted to, or a pool. You could put a whole lot of stuff over here. I'll put a pool here. Oh, 200, 250. I wouldn't do that. That costs too much. How much am I gonna sell it for? I'm gonna try to get like 180.
How much was it originally?
I paid 53,000 for it, and then I'm probably gonna end up putting like 35,000 into it. So I'll be in it about 85 grand, somewhere around there, 80, 87, something like that. And then I'll sell it for 180, 170, somewhere around there. It's all good. And you decided to wear PJs.
Yeah, because you said that we were just going to drop something off. I didn't think I was going outside.
Yeah, whatever. Come on. All right. It's gonna look real nice. That blue accent. That looks real nice. I like it.
¿Qué? Lo bueno que le echamos los 2 botes. Limón.
Yeah, that look good. ask you all that. DJ, what you think? He doesn't matter now.
Cause you asked for my opinion and I don't like it.
Yeah. Just say, yeah, I like it, Dad. Say, yeah, I like it, Dad. You're amazing with the color schemes.
I mean, the color itself ain't bad. I
You're
just,
amazing with the color schemes, Dad. Don't care what nobody say. That's what you should have said.
oh, so I'm supposed to just.
Oh, dog. Yeah. Lie to me. Especially on camera. Then when we get off camera, then you be like, yeah, Dad, I don't really like that.
Well, my opinion updated. I really like the color scheme. And it's amazing.
Bro. Really?
And he's a
See
mastermind.
over there working and you over here doing nothing? He making that money.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. DJ, same to you.
What I do?
Nothing. You did nothing. Alright, let me get my.
You said we about to leave.